My name is Magi Galindo. Currently I am working in a technological center in LEITAT, and my position is the technical and scientific direction of the IAM 3D Hub. I started to be involved in this field in 1991. After a conference, I saw at that time a first piece made by stereolithography directly coming from the States. At that moment, I said that I will devote all my professional life to this field. People who want to start and devote their professional life in additive manufacturing can come from different areas of knowledge, coming from engineering, coming from design, coming also from material science, from ICT technologies, etc. My advice is to approach, if it's possible, to IAM 3D Hub, where we are doing special training programs for special technologies. Because of in an industrial environment, they can understand, train, use, from an end-to-end solution, from the design to the verification and validation of the parts. This is the hardest question of all. Probably this technology will be combined with robotics and within artificial intelligence, and let's see, it will be completely different than the technology we are knowing today.